Hi, welcome to my channel. I am Shelly. Today we are doing a morning speed clean before I have to head out to work. I had a lot that I've been putting on the back burner, so I'm taking care of it now as quickly as possible. Per usual, I don't have time to really do any really dedicated deep cleaning. So this is what we do here on this channel. If you like speed cleaning and cleaning motivation videos, feel free to hit the subscribe button. I post weekly videos with such motivation. So I would love to have you join my family here on YouTube. It's such a positive, uplifting community, and I'm so grateful for each of you. And I hope that you guys are having a great week so far and have a good weekend coming up. And feel free to also give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. But right now I am just doing my laundry. It sits in the basket for a few days before I get to putting it away. So I'm just going through that now, and then we'll head out into the living room and in the kitchen. And as I'm watching this back, I just cannot help but think my wardrobe needs some serious updating. I'm always such a bargain hunter, so leave suggestions below. Where has really good deals for business casual clothes and good workout clothes? Because when I'm at home, I just want to be comfy, but I don't want to look dingy anymore. I feel like I don't know, I just look like a potato when I'm at home. And then, I'm going into the office a lot more now. So I just really want to have some really professional looking, but not like too over the top. So somewhere right in the middle, but it can be really hard to find good deals. But I am going to be shopping soon. Do you guys also want to see like a try-on haul? I'm really loving doing hauls right now, but I want your guys' suggestions. What type of hauls do you like to watch? Do you like clothing hauls, grocery hauls, decor hauls? Definitely let me know, because I do want to be making videos that you guys want to see, but also I want to have fun with my channel as well. So sound off below, and I cannot wait to hear your guys' suggestions. Okay, now over to Toy Island. Oh, you guys, I just don't even know. Like, I cannot be bothered with really going through his toys right now. It's getting bad. I say it in every video where I'm cleaning up his toys, but I'm ready to throw them all away. It's okay. Eventually, I'm going to go through his closet and put that cube organizer in his closet so we don't have to look at all of these toys anymore. But yeah, I'm just going to pick this up where our rug is folded up. Me and my boyfriend tag teamed the whole house over the weekend and just quickly like speed clean, deep clean, and I would have filmed it, but it really, like, that takes so much extra time, and we only had a babysitter for so long, so we just really needed to get it done. And we have not rolled the rug back out, so that's where we're at in this stage of life, and that's perfectly fine because I am totally enjoying spending every second that I can with my family and just trying to really enjoy this summer and not putting too much pressure on myself to have the house spotless at all times. Is just not the biggest priority to me right now, although I do need to have the house clean because my mind needs that, and if I am not cleaning every day, who knows what state it would be in. But I'm not putting so much pressure on myself, and I really encourage you guys to kind of get that mindset as well. It makes me so much happier, to be honest. So, and I find that I'm able to actually get more things done that way. It's really weird, but definitely give it a try. I recommend. It's done wonders for me in my mental state, so I hope it works for you guys as well. But now we are off into the kitchen. I'm just quickly decluttering everything and wiping it down the counters. And I kind of just, like, my method of decluttering and cleaning is I start in one area and then I move all of the stuff that doesn't belong to the other side and then just kind of work my way, and then at the end I put it all away. So basically it all goes in one pile and then I put it all away at the end. That way it's kind of all getting done all at the same time. I don't know, it works for me. It seems to save time other than, running across the house. I do want to get like a bin that's like a catch-all bin because I've heard that works really well. So I am looking into doing that also because we would definitely benefit from that. Thank you guys so much for watching and being here. Don't forget to subscribe before you go and give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it and it gave you some cleaning motivation. Also, feel free to share to your friends as well. Bye, guys.